guys ever played this game, don't forget to comment down below. This is one of my favorite games. I love it. Okay, so what we're supposed to do, Hadil?
So we're supposed to turn this thing on, and then the fish is going to open and close its mouth. So, and then whoever catches the most fish at the end with its fishing rod is the winner. And the winner gets a special prize at the end.
Awesome. So guys, comment down below. Would it be Hadil, Zidane,
I want the Jenga last.
or Heidi? Who's gonna win this game? So round one.
Okay.
Okay, go guys. Start. Go fast. Get more. Go. Good job, Hadil. Good job, Hadil. Come on, Zidane. Go.
Oh no.
Go, Zidane.
I'm trying. It's so slow. Oh.
Wow. So Hadil got, how many did you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Zidane, how many did you got?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. And Heidi, how many did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6,
I'm the winner for the first, right?
Good job. So the winner for round one,
So
Hadil.
if you guys comment down below that you think I was gonna win, you guys are correct.
Good job, guys. Give yourselves a big thumbs up.
all of them back.
Okay, put all of them back. Round two. So Hadil would like to do a little twist.
Yeah, so we have to do it with our eyes closed.
Okay, so let's do it with your eyes closed.
No.
Eyes closed. No peeking.
Okay, ready? 3.
Wait. Close your eyes. So let's see if all the kids are closing their eyes. Close. Hadil, no peeking.
I don't know.
So our viewers and fans will be the judge if these kids peeked or no. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I got
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Keep closing.
What the? The rod.
Zidane, close your eyes.
Oh gosh. I can't see.
Close your eyes.
This one's upside down. Okay.
Close your eyes. Come on. Heidi, are you closing?
Yeah.
What? Your eyes are open, Heidi.
Hey, you can't do that to Dad. You're doing this.
No, you're not allowed. You're not allowed. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Close your eyes, Heidi.
I'm lost so far.
Close your eyes, Heidi. Someone's peeking. Heidi, close your eyes.
I don't know how.
Yeah, but you're supposed to close your eyes. Okay, so everybody, their eyes is closed. Look at this guy. His eyes are closed. Zidane, why is your eyes open? Come on, the winner for round 2 is...
How you speaking so it doesn't count?
No, I wasn't peeing. And you stole my fish.
Okay, so again, 3, 2, 1, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I'm not looking. Oh, I wasn't looking.
The winner for round 2 is... Come on, Heidi, close your eyes. Heidi,
I'm not looking.
close your eyes, Heidi. Hadil, you're not supposed to touch. I think Zidane is the only one who's not peeking.
I'm not peeking.
What? But you're...
My fish dropped. My fish dropped.
Okay, this seriously, Hadil. Okay, so the winner for this one is Zidane because he's the only one who didn't peek.
I wasn't peeking. Well, I got more.
No, but did I want?
So round 3, which is last challenge.
There's gonna be a timer right up here.
Okay.
It's gonna be for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
30 seconds timer right up here. And we're gonna see
Me and
who can get
Zidane
the most
fish
fish in 30 seconds. And Mom, you have to count in your head.
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19,
Heidi,
18,
time out.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
Oh.
10, 9. Dun, 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 dun! And the winner for round 3.
2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job, Zidane! Hadil, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
For real, Hadil, how many?
2, 4, 5.
5! Zidane, you're winning so far. Let's see Heidi. 3! And the winner is Zidane! Woohoo! Okay, so what about we do another round?
Yeah.
Last round?
Yeah.
Okay, so last round, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
What?
5 seconds.
Timer's right up here, you guys.
I'm gonna be the timer. 5 seconds. So let's see who's gonna get last round, because we have to finish the video. You like this game?
Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2,
1, go. 5, 4, 3,
Then you can't do it with your hand.
2,
I just saw you.
1. Dun, 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 dun. That's it, guys. Stop. Okay, in 5 seconds. Heidi, how many did you got? Okay, Hadil, you took one more.
So you just do one.
So Hadil got 3. Heidi got 3.
Then you got 4.
Zidane, how many did you got in 5 seconds? 4. And Hadil, how many did you got?
3.
3. The winner is Zidane! Good job. We came to the end of the video, guys. It's time to say bye, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
and subscribe.
And comment down below if you enjoyed this video and if we should make more videos like this one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.